The presidential daughter and Davao City Mayor now has her own mini-me. When it comes to motorcycling, Mayor Sara surely knows how to make the most of it and earn some souvenir along the way. On her Instagram account, the politico shared a mini figurine of a biker chick. Pretty much looking like herself in her much-loved motorcycle hobby. She's also back on IG after clearing it of photos in 2020. One of the posts is a bike fall. Captioned with the title of her favorite Korean novella.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.